Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So, for today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a checkout page on WooCommerce. So, very quickly, what we want to do here is you want to click on plugins, make sure that WooCommerce is activated. To know, just type in WooCommerce right here, and then make sure that this is upgraded and, of course, activated. Now, from here, you can actually download a checkout field manager or a third party for your checkouts. So you can either launch a checkout directly through WooCommerce, or you can add these third parties right here. For example, gift cards, checkout field editor. You can also have flexible checkout fields, direct checkout for WooCommerce right here. So usually it's for free, but you're gonna need to have the business plan subscription in order for this to work. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. So you can remove checkout fields, you can add checkout fields, and of course, it's directly on WooCommerce. So that's a really good feature to know. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.